Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is November the 22nd, 2020, and we are going to give you all an update on Chainlink. Yes, we are. We are going to give you all a place of which we are expecting the trap to take the value of Chainlink. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, you subscribe to our channel, because we want to make sure that you all stay updated on the price predictions that we are delivering here on this channel. You all can see that we are delivering the news to you all right before it happens. You guys can see right here, Chainlink, the last time we did our video for this particular cryptocurrency was on November the 10th. And here we are. You guys can see we expected a trap. He is the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen. He directs the market. He controls it. And once you understand what he's going to do, you're able to profit right alongside with him. And you guys can see right here, it's a perfect example. November the 10th, let me zoom in. You guys can see right here, we told you all that we were expecting the market to go higher in price. And what do you know? The trap performed right alongside our expectations. Now, initially, after we did our video on November the 10th for Chainlink, you guys can tell that the market did dip. It did go lower. And you may have thought that the market in Chainlink was finding restriction at $12.95, $13 around that vicinity. Well, the trap was able to overcome that. And he did that on the 17th of November. He broke that restriction area, plain as day. That alone told you that the market strength in Chainlink was still there. So it wasn't no cause of confusion. Once you understand how to read price charts, it's like a language. And once you understand this language, you're able to see right before the market moves what's going to happen. So if anything, 13.86% was bagged out yesterday. This is where the market traded at our ultimate TP price, the 21st. It happened yesterday. So it's been what, 11 days or so that the market was just simply trying to inch its way higher in price, and yesterday it finally came to fruition. It came to pass. 13.86% right there. All right, so let's go ahead and take that away. We need to revise the price chart, see what has occurred since then, because this information wasn't available on November the 10th. Well, now it is. So we need to take this new price movement into consideration about what the trap is going to do going forward. All right, so obviously the market is not holding restriction at $12.90, even $13. So we can get rid of this line, okay, unless we need to move it somewhere else. Do you guys see anywhere else on this price chart that we need to move that line? I don't. So let's get rid of it. Now, next thing, are we still in an uptrend in Chainlink? Yes, we are. So let's extend it out a little bit further. Now, as always, I wanted to show you what is the percentage from where Chainlink is trading to this ascending line that the market can drop and will still be in an uptrend. So Chainlink can drop 21% from where we're at and the market will still be trending higher in price. So the long-term purview of this price chart is still showing that Chainlink is in a upward trend until we see the market break this line. Don't let no one else tell you different. He has shown us his track record. This is what he's laid down for us to visually see. So even if the market in Chainlink was to drop 21%, which is massive, it is scary to see a price drop 21%, but don't fret, because the market is still in an uptrend, even if it drops 21%. Okay, so now the market area support I can visually see as well is at $14. Why? Because the market today, the trap has already shown us that he wants to grab that area for support. So it is not a firm area support just yet, but he established, like he put the first nail in the wood to substantiate that he's trying to grab that area for support, $14. All right, so we got that. Now let's look at this market on a longer time frame. We need to see if this is going to be able to continue this movement higher in price. We need to see if it's going to continue. Right now, based off this 3-day time frame that we're looking at, there is some selling going on into the market on this current 3-day price bar. So where is that restriction area coming in at? Yep, right there around $15.70 is where it's at. Okay, so we got $14 for support and $15.70 as restriction. Cool, got it. On the 5-day chart, there is still some lack of demand going on into the market in Chainlink. You guys can see a little bit better on the 5-day that around this vicinity is where the market restriction is really coming in at. Okay, we have established this area previously back here on these 3 5-day price bars that the market is hitting restriction right there. That's why we're seeing the market finding issues keeping the demand currently on this 5-day price bar. On the weekly time frame, here it is again. What is going on into the market in Chainlink? Let me tell you. The demand that initially came in when we started this week is simply waning. That's all. So the only thing we need to pay attention to is $14 as we go through this weakness, as we go through this selling into the market in Chainlink. Now, when you look at the market on 4-hour chart, it doesn't look that bad. The market is still hinting that it wants to continue to go higher in price. So we identified $16 as restriction into the market in Chainlink. Near-term restriction is at 15. You guys can see it right here. In the background, he has already shown us the location to which he held and supported the market back in August. We're coming back again. That's why we got rejected the last time into the market when it came up here towards $15.50 because of this particular time period. He's shown us already. So what do you think our expectations are going to be, our prediction into the market for Chainlink? Yes, we're going to play some more strength into the market in Chainlink. It's not going to be much compared to where we're seeing that restriction area of about $16. I'm going to lower it down just a little bit, around like $15.75. Literally, we came there already today. Okay, the market already came and tagged that out. But given the hourly time frame, we're still seeing instances to where the market is showing us that it still wants to try to tag out at that particular price. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to continue to play some of this strength into the market in Chainlink, and then this forecast will continue so long as we continually see strength coming to the market at $14, period. Now, this is ours. What is your forecast? What is your prediction? Tell us with a comment in the comment section and let it be. You just sit back and let the trap work, and we see his performance when we come back in and update you all. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.